So idol, paano ba talaga mag-lose ng weight? So yan, build muscle. The more muscles we have, the more calories we burn, and the more better blood flow, circulation, digestion. Bibigat tayo, maganda pa kasi muscles. Mahalagang muscles, longevity, maraming benefits ang muscles. And then, number 2, calorie deficit para pumayat. Kahit mag-fasting tayo, 1 meal a day, kung sumobra yung calories na kinakain natin, tataba tayo. In short, mag-budget tayo, tipirin natin yung kain natin, just close our mouths. Number 3, cardio. Pwede kang mag-cardio. Yan, para pumayat. Para mag-burn ng calories, maglinis ng bahay. Mas maraming galaw kesa sa kinakain. Yun lang yun, ganun lang kasimple. Calorie deficit, build muscle, tsaka cardio or do stuff that burns kahit low impact. To gain naman weight, kain na marami, lift weights, and then yun lang, tulog na marami. Yun lang, ganun lang kasimple, consistent. Tama kayo, mali kami, we're not doctors. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy guys.